A Shiba Inu is a superdog. We haven't seen numbers from Shibarium in almost a year. Will Shibarium's billions of birds be making a triumphant return? The whales are definitely not sleeping, which brings us full circle to last December, when Shibarium was experiencing unprecedented levels of activity. We have discovered some of the most noteworthy modifications that are happening in the background. Why am I experiencing such a positive emotion, and what is happening exactly? So allow me to explain. Some Shiba Inu owners are worried about a recent significant finding. There is some logic to this concern. Actually, it's the outcome of an important on-chain. Quite unexpected, especially for a group that actively seeks to expand. The ability to persistently adapt to the unexpected is what sets the Shiba Inu army apart from other secret societies, although they are used to surprises. Now, though, we may skip about and get to the meat of the matter. Where is the problem? The fact that only 2% of Shiba Inu owners are interested in short-term gains indicates that the supply of these dogs is not actively traded. This has set off conversations about the expansion of the Shiba Inu market. It could appear that token holders are doing the right thing, but that's not entirely accurate. A decline in interest in a token like Shiba Inu, which gained popularity through cruel culture and massive advertising, could be indicated by the lack of substantial short-term trade. A possible red flag for a meme-based asset is a decrease in short-term trading, as this usually means less speculative activity. On the flip side, a stable basis of long-term ownership could bring about stability, which is generally a positive thing. Many investors are concerned that a coin that relies on excitement and anticipation will lose its luster if there is less short-term activity. Due to their stability and declining popularity, Shiba Inus find themselves in an unusual situation. In its present form, it combines the features of a long-term asset with those of a meme-driven token, distinguishing it from most other cryptocurrency ventures. This being said, there are more indicators that suggest a major shift for Shiba Inus. In spite of falling cryptocurrency and stock markets, Shiba Inus still exhibits surprising upside potential according to Mood, even if the market rise slows and people start to be cautious. What fascinates me is the shift in market sentiment. Cynicism is setting in among traders following a lengthy period of enthusiasm. This change can be significant for Shiba Inus. The market has a history of acting counter to public expectations, according to Santiman's research. This trend suggests unexpected growth when the market overall cools, which can be good news for Shiba Inus. For instance, according to Crypto Basic, the one-day sentiment for Shiba Inu recently dropped by 79%, illustrating how pessimistic the outlook has grown among individual investors. The caveat is the steady accumulation of large holdings, sometimes called whales. Funds received from these substantial assets have surged by almost 500% in the past 3 months, indicating a consistent buildup. A 163% rise in inflows in the past 30 days suggests that investors are proactively preparing for future price movements. The short-term data also shows a steady interest. It appears that larger investors have maintained their commitment, since 7-day inflows increased by almost 1%. Despite the widespread pessimism, this penchant for collection among influential individuals adds a fascinating additional layer to the Shiba Inu tale. Despite the fact that the market as a whole is still down, this could lead some investors to anticipate. Nevertheless, this is merely the initial stage. Arkham Intelligence reports that a whale went into Coinbase not long ago and stole 12.7 billion Shiba Inu coins worth over $100,000. Further investigation revealed that this wallet has a substantial amount of Shiba Inu tokens already. The current value of its 135 billion Shiba Inus is around $2.03 million. Because of this latest feature, the fact that this whale has been consistently eliminating massive amounts of Shiba Inu for the past 2 days suggests that it is acting seriously. For what reason would someone remove so many Shiba Inus from Coinbase? A bullish attitude towards Shiba Inus is one possible explanation. Someone else could be preparing for a major event, and Coinbase is the owner of this wallet, supporting this position, which has reignited interest in the community. What a mystery whale is up to, and Binance's focus on Shiba Inus has everyone wondering what the future holds. The Shiba Inu community is going absolutely crazy at the shocking news that Shibarium is taking off. Initial reactions to Shibarium's release were positive from the Shiba Inu ecosystem and the wider Ethereum Layer 2 community. Even though it has grown at varying speeds, it has been steadily increasing in size ever since. But nowadays, Shibarium is showing off some incredible numbers. Shibarium Scan reports that the protocol recently recorded an incredible 4.77 million daily transactions. A month ago, the daily transaction volume was as low as 3,000. An impressive and unexpected increase to nearly 5 million transactions indicates a revival in activity and adoption. Thanks to this surprising turn of events, the Shiba Inu crew, who had previously lauded Shibarium's potential, has achieved a major triumph. Shibarium is a hub for NFTs decentralized apps thanks to its active development community. It is possible that their joint efforts are responsible for this massive uptick in transactions, showing how the environment has grown. Also affected by this increase in Shibarium activity is the Shiba Inu's combustion rate. If this trend keeps up, Shibarium might end up paying astronomical gas expenses, similar to what happened in December of last year due to its huge transaction volume. When these fees were converted into Shiba Inu tokens, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of tokens were destroyed, reducing the amount of tokens in circulation. Today, the same outcome might increase the value of Shiba Inus and provide even more enthusiasm to the community. Overall, this is a thrilling period for Shiba Inus. Because of Shibarium's unexpected surge, huge whale activity, and new interest from major exchanges like Binance, the ecosystem is full of possibilities. Though we still have a ways to go, these developments bode well for what the future holds. Is this something you can relate to? Leave a comment with your ideas. If you would want to get updates, be sure you subscribe and enable notifications. Staying up to date on Shiba Inu news could save you money in the long run. Please also forward this video to as many people as you can so the word can get out.